Hi, I'm Lester Wooldridge, owner of Wooldridge Heating Air Electrical. I put this video together so I could help you, the homeowner, better understand the installation of your new heating and air conditioning system. In the last 5 years, the efficiency ratings have increased quite a bit, and we have a new refrigerant to deal with. For those two reasons, the installation of the equipment is extremely important that it's done right. So in the next 8 to 10 minutes, I hope that you'll better understand how important the installation of your new system is.
Hi, I'm Adam Phillips. I'm a comfort consultant for Wooldridge Heating and Air for over 12 years now. And I'm going to be spending about an hour and a half to 2 hours in your home coming up with a perfect design to meet all your heating and air conditioning, your comfort needs, and your indoor air quality.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Welcome. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Come on in.
Oh, thanks. When we do your heat loss, heat load calculation, we take a lot of things about your home into consideration. The width, the length, the amount of glass that you have, which direction that glass is facing, the age of the home, the insulation value. All that data put together will help us determine the exact size system that you're going to need for your comfort. With today's high efficiency equipment, it's very, very critical that you have the airflow set up exactly right. That's why we come through and measure all of your supply duct, your return boxes, your supply plenums, and the return duct itself. You know, and in 25 to 30% of the homes that we go into, the return is undersized. This will keep your equipment from operating as efficiently as it should. It'll also introduce more air noise throughout your home, and it could shorten the life of your new system that you just put in. For your convenience, we're going to have an exact to-the-penny price printed out and in your hands today. After completing your in-home survey, we'll bring all the data that we gathered in, the load calculation, the proposal, and the literature. Now we're going to sit down and go over this with you in great detail. And remember, this is a customized system to fit you and your home's needs.
We see a lot of our customers overlook the company they're about to make a very important purchase from. Your new system will have a 10-year parts and labor warranty and should last up to 15 to 20 years. Wooldridge Heating Air Electrical is 35 years old. We've always specialized in repairing and installing heating and air conditioning equipment in existing homes, not new construction or big commercial jobs. We are employee-owned and have a management staff in place. We have a business plan to take us way into the future. We know that our people make a difference. All our trucks are well stocked with parts and equipment. We want our men to be able to do the job in a timely manner and have the equipment to do it right. Our techs are well trained and well groomed and take pride in our clean company uniforms. We're a tobacco and drug-free company. To protect the integrity of your home, we wear shoe covers. When we leave your home, we want it to be just as clean as it was when we got there.
This is your old trap here, and if this were to ever be clogged up, it's no way for you to see if it's clogged. The only way you would know it, you flush your basement or washes your ceiling out. Now this is Easy Trap. We install Easy Traps on every heat pump system we install. It's clear here, so if it was ever clogged up, you could see it. It also has a float inside, so if the drain ever clogs up, that float will rise and kill power to your system before you flood your basement or wash your ceiling out. And it also comes with a little brush here. It has an open end, so if you ever see that it's clogged up, just stick the brush in, brush it out there. Also, you can open this cap here and brush it out through there. This prevents costly repairs. This right here is a performance report, and anytime we install a new unit, we record model and serial numbers of the units we installed, and we write down all the readings, amps, pressures, temperatures. We have a section for the indoor unit and a section for the outdoor unit. and another section for the thermostat, which we cycle it through each function to make sure everything's working properly. This ensures that you get the highest efficiency out of your equipment. Right now, I'm checking fan amps and compressor amps, and this ensures that nothing's overamping and everything's within range. These are the gauges here, and we record freon pressures and temperatures, and they have to be within a certain range to ensure that you're getting the highest efficiency out of your unit as possible.
We care about you, the customer. We care about each other here, and we do whatever we can to help each other out. We promise that you will get a friendly voice from the time the phone is answered at the office to a friendly face from the time the technician walks into your door at home. You are not going to be dissatisfied. If you want to be comfortable, we are going to see that you are.
My name is Ralph Chopper Wilson. I've been dealing with Wooldridge Heating and Air over 20 years. Wooldridge Heating and Air has been really great with helping me on revitalizing a lot of the buildings downtown. As far as the historic aspect of the way things need to be done, they've been very patient. They've been able to help as far as asking me as they go to make sure everything is right. And I recommend everyone to use Wooldridge Heating and Air Electrical.
I first got to meet Lester at a Chamber of Commerce event in the early 90s. He had a great display. In fact, he won, I think, for the best display that year. And got to know Lester and his workforce and was impressed with him as a person and with the products he provided. When Catherine and I bought this house in 1992, he was our choice to inspect everything that came with the house and to keep it running over the years. He did a great job with that, even though it was not equipment that he installed. He did a wonderful job with it. And when the equipment finally got too old to keep servicing a couple of years ago, he installed a new system. We have been tickled to death with our new system. It's quieter, it's more efficient, we're saving money, and we're more comfortable. One thing that's impressed me over the years is the integrity of his business, the integrity of him as an individual, and the fact that he's always there when we need help. We've never had a time when we've called them that they didn't come running immediately to fix whatever was going on. I've gotten to know Lester and his wife and his kids. The workmen he sends are well-trained, very polite, even put on booties when they come in your house so they don't mess up the carpet. We cannot recommend Lester enough, and we do so on a regular basis to our friends and have over the years. They've had the same experience we have. Wooldridge Heating and Air is absolutely the best experience in heating and air conditioning, installation and maintenance that I could possibly want. So good, in fact, that we are now using him in my business on occasion to replace older units. Lester's a good man. Wooldridge Heating is a good company, and we recommend them to anyone.